Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, yeah, this is just a video later on in the day because I repaired War Smite. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't break against Engard again, and hopefully he doesn't give me too many launcher issues. So, yeah, here we go. Looks like it will be coming down to stamina, maybe. Probably, knowing Engard. Yep. I'm not even gonna pause the video. How's your guys' day doing? And this is loose. That's perfection. So wonderful. Anyways, guys, how you doing? I'm putting money on it that Smite will break this next battle. You all want to bet? I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. Oh, there's a little piece of him there. Well, that's the end of that. I'm expecting an explosion this time since Smite is going up against Dynamite Belial. A heavy hitter. Never mind, Belial got booped. I'm expecting a break. Honest to God, I won't be sad if it does. Okay then, never mind. Let's go for a third round. Could this be the strongest Smite? And I'm not going to hype it up that much. He's probably going to break this next battle. High mode. And what did I say? Well, that's the end of this testing. I'm probably going to take a very major precaution this next time to make sure it doesn't break again. Cause yeah, this is ridiculous. But yeah, guys, that's probably it. I'm going to try to put it back together, and we'll see if we can do one more battle. Let's try this one more time. Belial has more stamina, so he'll probably win in stamina if he doesn't break my bay. I'll be doing a part 3 where it's done. I'll be doing a part 3, guys. Belial, you may have a problem on your hands. See you guys in the next video.